Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create our advanced Google SERP analysis template from scratch. This is a very useful tool, and if you want to know what it does, there's a demonstration video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's get started by adding our first component. We'll begin with query expansion, which enables our chatbot to paraphrase input text into multiple alternative queries to improve semantic search in Knowledge Base. Next, we will add the Google Search Retriever so that the chatbot has access to Google and is able to conduct the required searches. Next, we'll add the prompt component. This is where you'll define the chatbot's instructions. The prompt is provided in the description below and is also displayed on the screen for you to copy. Feel free to tweak and experiment with the prompt to suit your specific needs. After setting up the prompt component, don't forget to add chat memory. This feature ensures that the chatbot can retain context, allowing it to provide relevant follow-up information if the user has additional questions. Next, we'll connect the prompt component to a text generator, enabling our flow to produce accurate and helpful responses. Finally, we'll link the prompt to the output, completing the setup. And there you have it. We've successfully created the advanced Google SERP analysis template. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this flow, feel free to reach out or drop them in the comments section below.